No, definitely no tide today for your morning jolt because it is sweltering Wall Street, possibly near 100 degrees. All right, well, let's get right into it. The big story of the morning is Campbell Soup, sleepy food company trying to turn itself around. They came out with their long-awaited restructuring plan today, and it probably wasn't enough to please investors. Stock is down 4% pre-market trading. They said they're going to try to sell their international and fresh food businesses. These two businesses have been dogs for the company. They have not performed well, so it's going to be interesting to see who steps up and buys these companies. I think that's what the market is worried about. What you will see next, you will probably see Dan Loeb over at Third Point, activist investor who's been agitating for change at Campbell Soup, to probably launch a proxy contest that he wants the company to sell itself. And they probably did not do enough here. Now, this is a process they've been undertaking for many, many months. And to come out what they did, only 150 million in cost savings, not enough probably to appease activist investor Dan Loeb. So the problems at Campbell Soup are just continuing on positive. They did reiterate their guidance. So if you're looking for a silver lining, that might be one of them. Oh man, it is hot out here on Wall Street. Gotta get back in the office. All right, but not lastly, but the data dump. I know the market is on autopilot right now, feeling real good, low volumes. Let's just bid this sucker up. But you need to pay attention to probably the European stocks 600 banks index. That index is still down 20% from the January highs. It has not participated in this rally, and it could be giving you an indication of what can happen to the market when volumes pick back up in September. There are concerns out there. The Turkish lira has fallen yet again. The Argentine peso, new record low. So there are worries out there. So bring on the September return of market volume. And then lastly, around the street, busy day. It's definitely not a slow summer day in the Streets newsroom. That is for darn sure. We got a cool piece by Jacob Sonnenschein hitting on Warren Buffett and looking at his madness in tech. Now, many years Warren Buffett has not invested in tech, but he is all in on Apple. He's all in on his new Indian payments company. So he's definitely changed his position over time. The takeaway for me, Warren Buffett still sees value in tech, and that's pretty bullish for many investors. And then next up, look, we got so much stuff here. I mean, Salesforce, Action Alerts Plus holding there. They blew estimates away on their quarter. I mean, the backlog number was strong. Where the market is a little worried about is that third quarter guidance a little weak. Salesforce notoriously guides weak. So look for the stock to recover ahead of the company's big Dreamforce event in September. Salesforce is a winner, and also a lot of pieces coming on Salesforce. That is real money's stock of the day. So we'll probably have, 8, 9, 10, 15 pieces on Salesforce coming that you definitely need to check out. And that's it for me. I'm going back in the office. I got to get the AC working. Maybe I'll get myself maybe an ice. I'm deserving ice. I'll see you guys later. Sign up for the Morning Jolt newsletter down below. It's free. See you soon.